Good morning and happy Tuesday. We're going to start our day with morning meeting, and we're going to start by looking at what day it is. Today is, so remember yesterday was Monday. So what is today? Today is Tuesday. Did you touch Tuesday? Good job. All right, the month is, we've been talking about this every day. The month is April. April's picture is a rain cloud with rain because it rains a lot in April. Can you touch April? So we're going to say the month is April. Good job. The date is April 14th. Okay, time for weather. If you need to go look outside, look out the window or the front or back door, go look at the weather. Right now, where Miss Ainsley is, it looks cloudy. So I would say the weather is cloudy. Is that what it looks like where you are? And then the temperature is, so when I'm recording this, it's 40 degrees. So it's cold outside. But when you watch it, it may be cool. So we'll say the temperature is cool. All right, good job, friends. Now we're going to look at our daily schedule. So we said it's Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. So the things I want you to do today are morning meeting, which you're listening to now. Go look at the San Diego Zoo and maybe look at a different animal than you looked at yesterday. If your Boom Learning is not working, please have your mom or dad call me. And then math, reading, and science. All right, I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.